Hi, my name is Anis. I work as a special ed teacher in a special ed school.
My name is Darren. I'm a doctor. I'm also a father of a 9-month-old baby boy.
I sleep on a mattress on the floor. The pillows that I use are quite a few years already, so it's quite thin.
For the last 3 or 4 months, I think, since my baby's gotten a bit fatter, my shoulders have started to ache. I both wake up pretty tired, aching all over, a bit sleep deprived, as you know, most doctors are. I can't say that, right? I think my existing pillow is not doing its job properly.
The shape which you get looks like a footrest rather than a headrest.
My head is quite big, so I might not be able to fit entirely in there, but I'll try my best.
Okay, that's interesting. Well, from the looks of it, it's only one position that is up, looking to the ceiling.
It's a lump here. It looks like it's going to fit your neck properly. Everybody has a natural lordosis of the spine, curve of the spine. This one fits the curve of the spine. So it looks like it's quite anatomical, very good.
Hopefully it will help me sleep much better. In a way I don't wake up with so much ache in my body.
So I expect this to be more comfortable than my normal pillow. Feels expensive, I must say. Feels like a legit expensive pillow.
So planning to have a good power nap, 20 to 30 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't go overboard. It's supposed to be give me a very good restful sleep. Let's see how it goes. This is before. See you in 30 minutes. Bye. Hey, 30 minutes later, I'm awake. I was sleeping at my side, on my right. So far, so good. I wouldn't say it was a good long rest, but a good nap.
Okay, so this is the follow-up review of the pillow. I'm supposed to do one, but I can't because my wife has stolen it.
Last 3 nights.
Yep. When she first tried it, she was like, oh, you know, the neck part, it's not comfortable. You know, it's not enough support.
My neck is very long.
Then she used it once, and I haven't seen it again. Now she wants me to buy one for her.
I'm back for post review of the pillow. It's surprisingly good in a way that I don't wake up that much at night. And also when I woke up for the first time in the middle of the night, I was at the same position as I was when I slept. Frequently, I just slept throughout. It was a good sleep. In a way, I didn't find any discomfort on my head. And when I woke up today, there was not much pain on the neck and the shoulders as well. So I will give this pillow 4 out of 5 in a way. And then the pillow doesn't cover most of my head, but it's okay in a way that I had a very good sleep.
Okay, hi guys. I'm back, and this is Ollie. After using the pillow for about a week or so, these are my final thoughts. Yeah, I can confirm that this is good for nestling your head into, and it sort of puts you in a perfect neutral head position, kind of position that we put our patients in. And this thing doesn't quite allow you to toss and turn like you would on a normal pillow. In theory, you can flip onto your side and land here, but this distance is kind of not quite right. I don't know, at least not for my Singaporean-sized head. Side sleepers, and you can put your ear into this little like well here. It doesn't work as well as the depression for your head when you sleep on your back. Yes, final thoughts on the pillow. It's not really for me. I am a side sleeper, and my wife said that I still snore. This doesn't really help with snoring. Maybe made it a bit softer, I don't know. This is good if you're a back sleeper. It's definitely good for naps in the afternoon, because when you just nap for an hour or two, maybe 20 minutes. So yeah, would I buy it? No, but I think my wife wants one. She is more of a back sleeper, so I think I'm gonna end up having to buy one anyway. Oh, thank you for clapping for me. Alright, see ya.